guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little different, and we are just like getting up, starting to get moving around. We got like some things that we wanted to do. It's like 3 days before Christmas. I think 3 days before Christmas. And so we just wanted to get some things done around the house and go out to the stores and get the little things. And yeah, so I'm gonna bring you along with me today. And yeah, first we're gonna start off with the breakfast.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead. We have some things that we want to do outside, so we're just gonna get that done. My dad is actually gonna get on the lawnmower, and I'm just gonna rake up the leaves. You gotta go get it. It's in the house. I put it back in the house. In the room, I don't know. I'll have to look. Let me do this right quick. Okay. So anyways, we have some leaves that we wanted to rake up and all that. And so I'm gonna do the front of the yard, and he's gonna do like the side and like the backyard part. So we're just gonna get that done, and yeah. And I'm just gonna take y'all with us. Okay. So I just wanted to go ahead and give y'all a little update on the house deal like I promised before. So the rest of our house looks like how our front porch used to look. So it's like that burgundy color, and we plan to do it in gray and do the black like I did on the front porch. And that's kind of like what we want to do for the house, and we want to get a landscaper out there and just kind of get some things done around the house. And we also want to try to put a fence up. So that's what our plans are for our yard and for the backyard. So, and then right here the UPS man came, so we got our package in, which you will get to see what was inside of that. So in a few minutes you'll see I'm trying to get the leaf blower to work, and I'm telling you, we have a love-hate relationship with that leaf blower. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Well, it finally started working, but it wasn't even giving that much juice, so I still had to rake up the leaves. But I wanted to explain why we were raking up the leaves to the side of the yard or on the curb, because where I live, that's what they tell you to do, because they come around with a truck to suck up all the leaves. So that's all you have to do. You don't have to bag them. But this is the before, and then you'll see what the yard looked like after. Okay, so I made it back into the house. We are really tired. We're still like trying to get over COVID. We're over COVID, but we're like still tired from having COVID. So we worked until we couldn't work anymore, and we're like, okay, we're done. We need to rest. And that's the one thing I've learned with having COVID, is that when you're tired, just stop and rest. Don't keep going. But I wanted to go ahead and get these sheets up and get those washed and clean. So I'm going to show y'all that, just me taking out the sheets and stuff. And then I want to show you a Christmas present that my aunt sent me, and I was just so excited, so I wanted to show you guys. But first, let's do the sheets, and then I'll show you the gift. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all the Christmas gift that my aunt got us, or got me. It's a Tory Burch, I hope I'm saying that right, purse. I've never had one of these before. I just, you know, I'm just not really into the whole, every time I get a nice purse or like a nice designer bag, it's always from this aunt. She always gets me those nice things, and I appreciate it so much because I will wear it out. I will keep this purse until probably the next time she gets me one, and that's exactly how it is with my old purse. I just keep it until I get a new one. And so anyways, I'm so excited about it. I've always wanted one of these. I've seen like other people have it, and I thought they were always really cute, but again, I just never bought one for myself. So I'm excited, and I think I may show you guys switching out my old bag, which is a MAKEOVER purse, to my new bag, and there's Cooper. But actually I got this, I actually bought this for myself. I got it off the Facebook marketplace. Somebody was selling it for $35, and I was like, well, you can't beat that. And it came with the wallet, so I got, you know, got both of those for $35. I thought that was a steal. So I've had this purse for about 3 years or so, three or 4 years now. And so, like I said, I will wear a purse out. I won't switch until I get a new one, and most times it's other people buy me new ones. So anyway, we're gonna switch them out right quick, and then we're gonna go do some other things. All right, Cooper, I need you to move. Coop, move.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done, I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
We still have like the sides of the house to do, but we did the most we could do today. So I'm just taking Cooper out right now, and then we gotta run to the store. We were gonna do this stuff for the UPS people, but because we were so sick last week, we were in quarantine last week, we couldn't get out to go do anything. And honestly, good thing, because we didn't feel like going anywhere. So we didn't get to do the stuff for the UPS people, which kind of like, dang, we wanted to, but anyway. So we're just gonna run to the store, do some things, and then yeah. I'm gonna show you the part of the grass that we didn't get to cut or get the leaves up, and that's what the whole yard looked like. So let me show you this real quick. So this is the part that we didn't get to. So just imagine the whole yard looking like that, and now that's what it looks like. That's what the rest of this yard looks like. We didn't get over here, of course, because of the trailer right there. So that part right there, this right here, this is what the whole yard looked like. Okay, so I was gonna record going into Walmart and all that great stuff, but when I got to Walmart I realized that I left my camera. So I'm just gonna show you what all I got from Walmart, and then we went to the Dollar Tree, and we went to Sports Hibbett, and y'all, they have a sale going on so for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go on Christmas Eve. Right when they open, I'm gonna get the stuff that I was gonna get because it's gonna be like 30% off. So super excited about that. But anyways, let me turn the camera around and let you see what all we got from Walmart and then what we got from the Dollar Tree. Alright, starting off at Walmart, we got Cooper's top. I got some headbands because I really wanted some headbands, and I saw these in this scrunchie and I thought they were really cute. I got this for our cheese board that we have done, and then Mama got these 3 things for, I don't know for what. And then we got some kitchen scissors because we needed some more. Other ones are not working well, so got those. We got a pizza for tomorrow because tomorrow we're doing rotel dip and pizza for our New Year's Eve thing, because that's what we usually do with our family. But since we won't be with family this year, we wanted to continue to do that. I got this for Cooper, and it's going in his stocking. This because we love this Cold Stone sweet cream. It is so good. You need to try it. I'm gonna get a like closer glance of it. Cold Stone sweet cream. So good. And then I got this because Paige, if you follow Paige Danielle, she has been talking about this, and we wanted to try it out and see how we like it. Then we got these 2 bags of chips, and these 2 bags of chips came, they were only like 92 or 97 cents, something like that. And then we got these mozzarella sticks. We got these when we were in quarantine because we knew we wouldn't be able to go out. So we got those, and we really like them. So we got another pack, or we got 3 more of these. And they were only $1 a piece. And then over here, this is stuff from the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to try these freeze-dried strawberries. I wanted to try these out. And then I got these from my parents' stocking stuffer. So I got 2 of those, and the trail mix. I got 2 of those. And I got these. I'm not going to say the name of them because they can hear me in the back. But I got 2 of these because I know they like these so much. And then I got these. This is a chicken salad. Goodness, focus, camera, focus. I got the chicken salad. Hold on. Let me see if I can focus. There we go. I got this because I used to get this from Walmart all the time back when I was living in Tuscaloosa, and I wanted to try it out and see how I like it from the Dollar Tree. So I got 2 of those, and then I got these tissues, and there's an 8-pack, and like I said, I've always gotten those from there. So that is it. So I think I'm going to end it here. I hope y'all enjoyed everything about this video. I know it was kind of like all over the place, but that's mostly how my life is most times. It's just everywhere. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.